The one thing most affiliate marketers need, or any marketer for that matter, is traffic, is advertising. So I'm going to share with you in this video my experience about how I personally am creating an advertising budget for myself. Now, this strategy is maybe not for everybody, but if you guys have a full-time job, if you are looking specifically within this niche and have been jumping around from maybe opportunity to opportunity, maybe courses to courses, not sticking with something, well, let me share with you one of the strategies that I'm personally using, and despite everything else that I'm doing, this has been the one consistent thing for the last 4 years in my journey. So I'm talking about it from experience, and I'm showing you guys how I leverage this to be able to consistently buy advertising or paid ads to my affiliate offers and build my email list the right way. So let's go ahead and get into the details. Thank you for joining, guys. My name is David Pinner. They also call me Tips with Dave. This channel was created to give you guys tips, strategies, training, tools that I use on a daily basis. And in the description of this video, there are all the resources, there are all the links that are needed. So if at any point of time during this video you are interested in something that I'm talking about, feel free to go through the description and you'll be able to join. Yes, there are affiliate links, but don't worry, you are not paid anything extra. It's just a way for me to get monetized on the content that I'm putting out there. Okay, that's it. If you want to go directly with the companies I'm talking about, go feel free to do that as well. But obviously, if you want to contribute to this kind of content that I'm posting, the affiliate links are in the description of the video. Let's get into it. As I said, guys, I'm excited about this video for one specific reason. I want to give you guys a little bit of a backstory before I get into what exactly I'm doing. Now, I'm not using the best traffic sources to build this advertising, but the concept behind what I'm going to be sharing is called the funded proposal. It's basically to create a fund for myself that then it works as a starter to be able, or a catalyst to be able to then compound and grow and have some sustainable income that's coming in every single month, but also grow eventually in the long term. Is it something that's going to change your life drastically? No, it's not, guys. This is a slow process, but this is a process that if you apply it, you can apply it to free marketing, you can apply it to paid marketing, but it's an idea, it's a concept, it's a strategy that changes your business acumen more than anything else. Okay, it changes the way you look at how you build and scale up your business. So funded proposal is always great to have. It is basically a way to invest in yourself continuously in your growth, and then you reach a stage where you pocket more than you invest in yourself. That is just a natural stage that everybody goes through. The way I did this was I asked myself, because of a full-time job that I have and everything that I'm doing, I asked myself, what can I afford to spend every single month? How can I create a budget from that? And so I personally decided to go with kind of a lower ticket traffic sources that are able to convert pretty easily, that do not take too much of my time. This is a key element for me personally, because I can find lower quality traffic sources all over the place, guys. It's super easy. Even high quality traffic sources, which will be expensive, because when you're looking at traffic or advertising in general, you are focused on two things. You're either spending your currency as time to create content, to be able to post videos like this and so on and so forth, to then build that know, like, and trust, which I continuously do. And the second thing is you spend either the currency of money to speed up that process, right? So I did not want to spend a lot of money, because I know that it can take a lot of money to be able to advertise on a daily basis and even get a return of my ad spend on that. So in order for me not to spend too much money, and I focused on specifically the business opportunity niche, or the wealth niche as we call it. In this niche, there are different elements that are different advertising sources that are not really available for other niches. So I decided to go ahead and look for what is called co-registration leads. Co-registration leads are people who have said yes to receiving promotional emails from multiple sources. Basically, they've clicked on a button that they said they can receive a newsletter, and they'll basically get those promotional emails. So it's not the best quality traffic. And I say this in all of my videos from day one of when I made my first video starting this strategy. So it's not the best quality traffic, but what it is that you have tier one countries. So US, New Zealand, Australia, all these tier one countries, English speaking tier one countries that have a higher buying potential, and therefore these leads become more valuable because maybe they're not sticking for the long term. And so I said to myself, I'm not going to build my email list with these leads, because already maybe on too many lead sources. But what I can do is the earning, or rather the amount that I earn for each sale, through my Warrior Plus, through ClickBank, etc., I'm going to use that as a budget to be able to pay for advertising and build my email list with higher quality. So this becomes literally a fund for myself to be able to pay for higher quality traffic. Okay, and when I say higher quality traffic, I mean, let's say right now I'm in a phase of doing some things with my YouTube and with my Facebook and stuff like that that will go into a little bit more, higher ticket options. But where am I getting a fund for these higher ticket options for me to advertise? It's coming from this proposal itself. So I'm going to give you guys proof of how much I've spent, about around $10,000 just on advertising through this, and it's not come from money from my pocket. It's come from whatever I've earned because of the strategy itself. Okay, so I'm not talking about it just like that. This is experience, and I continuously buy advertising on a daily basis, or sorry, on a monthly basis, because of this strategy. So I'm using two of the sources, and I'm going to share with you which are those sources in a second. They consistently send traffic to my offers, directly to my offers. I'm not building in my email list through these options. I'm just purely getting commissions. That's my aim. Not a lot of commissions, enough to be able to buy advertising with higher quality traffic and slowly build my email list. The key here is slowly to build my email list. And this has been a huge, huge benefit for me personally. Now with the introduction of AI, life becomes so much easier also. Okay, so you can take this same strategy, or rather the same formula that you can see on screen right now. Let me make myself a little bit smaller. Okay, you can take this entire formula and you can literally automate this entire process. It becomes so much easier with AI right now, because let's say even if you use a tool like System.io, which is absolutely free to get started, you can automate your email sending, your newsletters, building up of these things all with Claude or ChatGPT now, just talking to it. So it makes your life easier to build this entire sales process much faster, right? So let me go ahead and share with you. We're talking about using My Lead Gen Secret, which is, as I mentioned, co-registration leads, and twice confirmed traffic, which is also co-registration leads, to offers direct, to offers on Warrior Plus, to offers on ClickBank directly. Now, let me just log into my Warrior Plus. I want to show you guys something that proves the point of doing that the strategy works. Okay, guys, so I am in my Warrior Plus, and actually I can just see that I got a sale. I think it was 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago I just got another sale for this offer, which is super affiliate Super Affiliate U by Ben Fletcher. So nice. I'm not really doing too much, but I'm gonna go to wallet right here, and if I go to summary and I just go to purchases, see some stuff that I purchased recently, some products that I purchased recently from my balance. You can see right here I bought 300 clicks for tier 1 traffic from wholesale. Oh, you can see right here. I'm not going to go through it, but here's one Google traffic, then Google traffic, Google, a lot of Google traffic. Then these are 100 clicks. You can see this is all in twice in February, twice in no, 3 or 4 times in January, December, and this goes on, guys, for pages. Okay, if I go to 100 pages right here, you'll see right from the get-go, which is what this is in 2023. Okay, so we're already 3 years down. You can see that I've been continuously spending on what? Advertising. At the end of the day, all of this is advertising, advertising, advertising. So if I go to summary, just for you guys to see, go back here and go to wallet and see the summary, you'll see that it's about $10,000. I'm not counting 970. Let's remove $900 here. So around $10,000 of purchases, 95 purchases of traffic. And how have I been able to do this? It's because of my earnings on Warrior Plus itself, guys. For example, right now I have maybe $150 in my balance. I only remove funds that I would like to remove. So the last withdrawal that I made, I can show you guys very openly, is here to on the in June. The whole of July I haven't. I've actually purchased traffic, and I did this because I most probably needed those funds. I don't know, maybe I don't remember actually. But just to show you guys that the withdrawal happens when I need it, Otherwise, this is now become, Warrior Plus has become a source where I can consistently go out. Now it's just accumulating commissions and commissions, and I can use those commissions that I have there to go ahead and purchase traffic, okay, on Warrior Plus itself. So a lot of these, let's say ad vendors, solo ad vendors, or even the Google ads that I have, I actually buy from Warrior Plus because they host the sales. Okay, they host the sale process on Warrior Plus. So Warrior Plus becomes a merchant, and I'm buying through Warrior Plus. So considering that if I've already have $100 there, $200 there, every month I'm accumulating this way, I always have an ad budget basically on Warrior Plus to be able to buy advertising consistently. And that is exactly what I've been doing. And I don't think there is a single month in the last 3 years that I've gone into my pocket to be able to purchase advertising to build my funnel. Now, my funnel, I send it primarily this course, which I'm explaining this entire strategy. I have a course in the description of the video. It's called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. You can find it there. It teaches this entire strategy step by step. Okay, really step by step. It goes through everything, how to write the right emails, how to teach a strategy. And then I just honestly added this extra resource right here, which is twice confirmed traffic, because with twice confirmed traffic, I'm not even sending an email every day. It's just literally giving my primary link over here, and I'm building my email list. So in twice confirmed traffic, I use a little bit of a different strategy where I'm sharing people a funnel, but a funnel that doesn't go to my primary offer. It's a low ticket funnel. It starts to generate commissions for myself, and then I earn on the back end, and people come into my, let's say, my back end already filtered out, right? So the high quality leads that come in at the end of the day, but it's still earning me commissions. I've done a couple of videos about it, but what I want to share with you guys now is also, if you promote these traffic sources, you can also basically recover your funds that you're spending. So ultimately, this entire strategy becomes something that you're not spending out of pocket, that is self-funded itself, so you don't spend anything, and it keeps driving more and more visitors to your office. Now, like I said, it's very important for you guys to clean your list. These are natural things that you need to do, but this is a way that I get unlimited budget for my paid ad. Every month I have a certain amount. If I want to increase that budget, what I need to focus is more on this strategy or getting more sales on those offers that will increase my budget eventually. This is personally what I've been following for the last 3 years. Usually I talk about it on a Friday, but today I wanted to specifically share with you these sources. So the first two links in the description are going to be to My Legion Secret and Twice Confirmed Traffic. I want to log into them and I want to show you guys something very interesting. All right, guys, so this is just one account. Okay, this is my main account that I have. Okay, guys, so I went to affiliates and I went to just commissions here, and I wanted to show you guys something interesting because I think it's just validating the proof, right? So besides the fact when I said that, it pays for itself, let's take this into consideration. I spend $30 every single month on this offer, okay, on My Legion Secret. I've earned $1,468 since, you can see right here, the first payment was in 2023. So we'll take March 2023 till now is, let me just do this, right? I'm going to go March 2023 till now is how many months? I'm going to do this monthly. I want to show you guys is 41 months. Okay. We're at 41 months in. So we're going to take this amount, 1,648 68, sorry, let's just put that way. Let's go here, copy, and go here, and divide this by 41, okay? And I want to show you guys, on average, in the last 41 months, I've earned every single month. It cost me $30, right? I've earned just from the commissions. So if you ask me, David, how much have you spent every single month? I would have spent $30 a month for 41 months, right? So that's $1,230. So I've earned more than I actually have spent, because you can see right here it's $1,468 in this time that I have this one account. It's very important for you guys to understand this, because as I said, basically in the last 3 years, this has paid for itself. Okay, I've withdrawn, you can see I've earned and I've withdrawn this amount, total paid. So this offer, even though it's a traffic source for me and it's got me, $10,000 worth of offers over here, or $12,000 worth of offers, whatever the sales are, it has also earned me those commissions within the system itself. And on average, as you can see right here, it's earning about $35 a month. That means it's earning $5 in profit every single month for the last, whatever, 41 months. And that's pretty cool, right? I think that's pretty cool because I wanted to share with you guys specifically that it's paying for itself. So right now, I have a strategy that is basically a funded proposal that helps me paid advertising, but also pays for itself. I'm gonna leave it at that because I want it to sink in. And like I said, this is not something that's gonna make you rich overnight. This is not something that is a fast thing. You need to put in the work and the effort, but it is definitely achievable to start getting your first commissions. And honestly, one of the things that it's given me more than anything else, it's given me authority on affiliate networks like Warrior Plus, like ClickBank. So I'm able now to even get more approvals for different commissions, sorry, different products, and then do, videos about them. And it's given me a lot of different options that have opened the doors for me personally. Even the vendors trust me a little bit more because of the strategy, because at least I'm making 5, 10, 15, 20 sales, and I'm not just making it during the launch, I'm making it after the launch and continuously after that, right? So when I reach out to somebody like Ben Fletcher, who's a vendor on Warrior Plus, and I've asked him now for his new launch, I said, can I get a review? I don't need to buy it. He's giving me a review access. He's going to be giving me a review access so I can make a review on it, talk about it, and share it with everybody else before anybody else. And those are options that are only available to affiliates that get those commissions. So use it as a catalyst to even these kind of opportunities. I've gone on for too long, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was educational. You learned something. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will start to focus a little bit more on traffic strategies on a Monday, just because I've done a ton of videos on my Legion secrets and twice confirmed traffic, and I keep updating you guys every single month. But I want to focus on giving you guys strategy based videos. So for example, next week we're going to be talking about why your traffic isn't converting. Okay, this is Traffic Monday in a way. We're going to be talking about that next week. Link is in the descriptions for everything that you see in this video. And I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.